and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to be discussing more on spaces and objects. So to give you kind of an idea of what kind of things you can do with spaces and objects, you can use your own profile. You can add spaces and objects to your clients, to your family members, to your friends, whoever you're broadcasting to, you can add spaces and objects to. All you need to do is make sure you're on the profile that you're wanting to add a space and object to, click on the name, and then click on spaces and objects. So I have, as you can see, some of these different things: our living room, our bathroom, our kitchen, my money box for my business, my actual business space, my bank account for my business, our specific family. So I have the Mailer family, and then I list out every single one of our names. So whenever you do this, you can then, in SEFI, which I'll show you, can choose the space or object that you want to broadcast frequencies to, and you can choose those, like you can broadcast to them. So for example, you see some of the areas of our house. I need to add our entire house, but you can clear energy. You can send energy of love and inner peace. For our family, like if we would all be sick, I would send lots of immune and health support to our whole family. You can also do a collective SEFI scan, which I'll also show you to kind of see what that group or space or object is needing. I actually added a card that we have that we're utilizing right now, working on selling, and sorry, my brain is a little sad. I chose that one. I chose the vehicle. I ran a scan and it came up with perfect recall, and like some of that has been some of the issues. Like it has a little bit of transmission issues. So it's just really fascinating to see like how spot on it is for spaces and objects. Anyway, moving forward, what I'm going to do right now is actually add my social media. So I'm working on building my social media. I want to get more creative with my social media. And so I'm going to add my social media as a space and object. So I'm going to click the add button. I'm going to entitle this social media accounts. And then what I already did was copied and pasted into a private area all of my links. So this is how I'm personally doing it. You could enter them however you want in your description, but I wanted to get really specific with the specific links so that the energy knows where to go specifically. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to click save, and it is at the bottom of that page. So then I'm going to show you how to do a SEFI broadcast. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click SEFI, and then here's where you choose your target. So I'm going to choose social media accounts, and I am kind of curious what they might need. So I chose the social media account. You can see that's the target up here. I'm going to click scan just to see what it's kind of requesting energy-wise. And then I'm going to be broadcasting some other specific things. So it's confidence, self-esteem, and love is recommended for broadcast. So I'm actually going to broadcast that. And then I will also broadcast some other things like the abundance, wealth, and success, things like that to the social media accounts. I'm going to be creating a playlist for this as well, so that I can just quickly do a playlist every day. I'm going to go ahead and click broadcast, and then in the next video I will show you how to create a playlist.